Hello everyone, welcome back to Too Tall to Drive. My name is Will and welcome to a new video. So today I have come down to, I guess, a friend of a friend. I'm going to be driving a couple of cars today. I'm going to do a very few videos and we'll sort of go through all the stuff about the car. So I'm not sure how best to do this video, but I think what I'm going to do is do a bit of point of view, do a bit of just driving generally. I'm going to show you around the car as well, so you get an idea for everything that this car can offer. But without further ado, here is the F150.
This is a 2019 diesel F150, 3-litre V6, made in Dagenham. The tank is 100 litres. This is the FX4 package, which is good because you get the rear diff lock. It's 250 horsepower, 600 Nm of torque, which in old school is 444 foot-pounds. The acceleration times from 50 up to 100 are quite extraordinary. It has a 10-speed box, so whether you're looking for economy or performance, you will always be in the right gear. It's you, oh you, the second I saw you. And on the motorway, the silence and serenity is just extraordinary. Coming to economy, around every day around the place, you're going to get 24. I'm able to get over 600 miles to a tank. One interesting thing to mention is that with the diesel engine option, you can't have the extended fuel tank of 136 litres. You have to make do with the 100-litre fuel tank, which is, as I said, ample for 600 miles or more. That's why I put an auxiliary fuel tank in the back of mine, which is a further 140 litres, and that will give me a range of over 1,400 miles, no problem.
Well, I'd say this is probably the first car that I actually fit. Annoyingly though, it's not quite the sports coupe I was kind of going for, which is a little bit different. I don't think it's... yeah, my Cooper is definitely quicker. Although I am quite impressed that being on this side of the road doesn't actually make that much difference, especially when this high, because I can still see everywhere I'd want to be, which is pretty good. But yeah, I've never driven a Rolls Royce, but I imagine it's got to be on this sort of level of comfort.
That's right. This is a Rolls Royce version of a Land Rover.
Yeah.
It's really good.
In fact, though, but they do have that now, don't they?
You want to? Yeah. Oh, but useless vehicle.
Oh yeah, completely useless.
Totally
it won't go off road in the size, I don't think. But
if you can, I don't know if there's anything behind you, but you want to turn, get in the right-hand lane here, and then stay in this lane here.
Right, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching the F150 video. If you liked it, please do like, subscribe, all the rest of it. You know how to do it if you're interested. There will be more videos coming. I tried an Alfa Romeo 4C the other day. I didn't fit in it, so I didn't film anything, because it was about a 4-second video. So the next car series is still on. Oh, the sun is blinding. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.